Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning everyone. Right. So today we are going to learn the second subtopic, okay, from chapter Consumers and Industrial Chemistry, which is cleaning agents. Okay, so last week we have learned about oil and fats. Okay. Alright, so actually what you have learned previously, okay, related lah to what you will learn today. Okay, so what will you learn today? You will learn to describe soap and detergent, and then to describe soap preparation process through an activity, and also to compare the cleansing action of soap and detergent through experiment. Okay, so firstly, what is soap? Okay, so selalu when we talk about soap, mesti you terlintas sabun lah, sabun yang you buat mandi tu. Okay, so in chemistry, okay, by definition, soap is sodium or potassium fatty acid. Okay, sodium or potassium fatty acid. Okay, fatty acid salt, sorry. Sodium or potassium fatty acid salt. So kalau you ingat lagi fatty acid tu dia mesti ada okay, R ni carbon chain lah, carbon chain, and then functional group C double bond O, OH kan, fatty acid. Tapi kalau soap ni dia punya H tu diganti dengan sodium ataupun dengan potassium lah. Okay, alright, so soap are produced from the neutralization reaction between fatty acids and alkalis. Okay, nanti kita tengoklah step by step macam mana preparation of soap ni. Okay, so fatty acid yang kita guna ni long chain carboxylic acid. Okay, sources of fatty acid that can be obtained from natural esters in animal fats or vegetable oil. Okay, so sekarang nampak kan dia punya macam mana kita dah belajar sebelum ni about fats and oil ni, dia related to topik kita yang seterusnya lah, soap and detergent ni. Okay, sebab sources of fatty acid yang kita guna to make soap ni kita boleh dapat juga daripada natural ester in animal fat or vegetable oil lah. Okay, so macam teacher cakap tadi tu, the general formula for soap is RCOO negative Na plus or RCOO negative K plus lah, macam yang teacher lukis kat atas tu. Okay, R ni represent long carbon chain lah, long carbon chain daripada kita punya fatty acid from animal fat ataupun from vegetable oil tadi. Okay, C double bond O tu functional group untuk fatty acid tadi tu. Okay, O negative ataupun K positive. Okay, bila dah jadi soap macam ni lah. So that's why soap ni sodium or potassium fatty acid salt. Okay, fatty acid salt. Okay, so macam teacher explain, R is an alkyl group, okay, containing at least 8 carbon atoms. So dia satu long carbon chain lah. Okay, paling kurang pun 8, ada 8 carbon atom. Okay, tapi selalunya dalam soap ni kita guna alkyl group yang contain 12 to 20 carbon atoms. Okay, so R ni juga hydrocarbon chain. Carbon chain ni consists of saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbon lah, based on fat or oil yang kita gunakan. Alright, so example of soap. Okay, so ni ada nama-nama soap. Okay, you boleh tengok kalau you rajin baca ingredient dalam you punya sabun yang you guna pun, kadang-kadang mungkin ada nama-nama yang you macam familiar lah. Okay, so kita boleh nampak kat sini kita ada sodium jenis sodium lauryl soap and also sodium palmitate lah. So dari segi chemical formula you boleh tengok lah sodium lauryl, okay, of course mesti ada sodium. Lauryl ni come from fatty acid tadi tu lah. Okay, so bila dia jadi sodium lauryl tu yang jadi fatty acid, sodium fatty acid, sodium fatty acid ataupun fatty acid tu nama dia kalau kita ambil daripada lauric acid, so dia akan jadi sodium lauryl. Kalau kita prepare daripada palmitic acid, dia akan jadi sodium palmitate lah. Okay, so source of lauric acid ni from coconut oil, palmitic acid from palm oil. Okay, so this is the structural formula of sodium palmitate. Okay, macam you tengok kat sini, inilah sodium kita kat sini. Okay, and then palmitate tu dapat daripada palmitic acid lah. Okay, palmitic acid tadi ada berapa total carbon dalam palmitic acid tu? Ada 16 kalau kita kira daripada sini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 lah. Okay, ni structural formula for sodium palmitate. Okay, next kita tengok pula what is detergent. Okay, so actually the production of detergent began during the Second World War owing to the lack of animal fat and vegetable oil. Okay, so mula-mula sekali manusia dia gunakan soap, okay, sabun untuk mencuci, untuk sebagai cleaning agent lah. Okay, tapi during Second World War, okay, sebab nak buat soap tadi tu, sabun tadi, kita guna animal fat ataupun vegetable oil kan. So disebabkan waktu perang kekurangan animal fat and vegetable oil ni, so detergent pun dihasilkan lah sebagai satu alternatif untuk mengatasi lack of animal fat and vegetable oil ni. Okay, so detergent are non-soap cleaning agent. Okay, detergent are sodium salts of sulfonic acid. Dia lain Kalau soap tadi sodium salt of sodium or potassium salt of fatty acid kan. Tapi kalau detergent ni sodium salt of sulfonic acid. So two type of sulfonic acid used to make detergents are alkyl sulfonic acid and alkyl benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, so kita tengoklah mana datang nama tu. Okay, so alkyl sulfonic acid ni datang daripada ni lah. Kalau tengok structure dia ni, alkyl, okay, alkyl tu refer to long carbon chain ni lah, R tu. Sulfonic tu kat sini lah, sulfonic acid. Okay, okay, kalau yang satu lagi ni alkyl benzyl sulfonic acid. Okay, ni alkyl benzene. Okay, alkyl benzene and benzene ni, ini sebenarnya benzene. Okay, okay, asalnya benzene tu structure dia macam ni lah, structural formula of benzene. Dia ada 6 carbon. Okay, 6 carbon, and then you nampak dia punya double bond dia tu selang-seli. Okay, so untuk memudahkan urusan kita tulis benzene ni, kita lukis dia sebagai macam ni lah. Double bond yang selang-seli ni kita lukiskan sebagai ring dekat dalam tu lah. Okay, alright. So ni two general group of detergent with example of structural formula. Okay, ini detergent. Okay, detergent ni selalunya made from petroleum fraction lah. Okay, made from petroleum fraction. Okay, so two general group of detergent macam ni lah, sodium alkyl sulfate and sodium alkyl benzene sulfonate. Okay, so macam yang teacher explain tadi itulah. Okay, R tu represent long carbon chain. Okay. So sulfate. Okay, ni. And then yang ni alkyl benzene sulfonate. Alright, so next kita akan tengok the preparation of soap and detergent.